Hey guys, so in today's video I decided to do a cage cleaning out time lapse of doing my hamster's cage. My hamster is called Hiccups. He's a Russian dwarf hamster, and this is his cage. It's a bunny cage, so it's 100 centimeters by 50 centimeters. It doesn't have the wooden platforms or anything like that with the houses, but yeah, that's what it is. I'm also going to be doing a cage tour for you afterwards, and my rats always seem to like to make an appearance in the videos, so there we go. You're included. How does that feel? Might as well include those. Yay. So I'm just really going to get right into it. It's not going to be a cage theme or anything like that. I've only got like one Christmas one. I do have a Christmas stocking, but I don't have to open it at Christmas, and I'll be doing videos every year.
Hey.
so I also did a trade package with someone on Instagram who's my friend on Instagram. And so I decided to add this afterwards just to share that with you guys, and obviously because of time lapse can't talk in it really. So she got me this pair, so I'm gonna just pop this in here for him as well. And I love this because it's also open bottomed, which means, because he likes to make a great big mess inside these, so it's really good, and I hope you'll like that. She also got me some millet, so I'm gonna sprinkle some millet about in this cage for him to go and find. So these are like not millet sprays, but smaller ones, like that. As well as this, she also got me something in a trade package called Nike Seed. I've never tried this before, and I've never tried millet, but I've noticed really loves millet. It's not really focusing. But I'm just open it. This is Nige Seed. I'm going to see if Hiccup likes this, so I'm going to sprinkle this about as well. And I'm also going to put it in his bowl. Focusing on the actual cage now. There we go. And then I'm also going to fill up his bowl, obviously. And then Hiccup's over there finding the millet that I've dropped everywhere. So, of course, I'm also going to feed him his food now. Hiccup is very selective, so I'm going to actually eventually start giving him some science selective pellets as well. It's just so I know that he's getting all the nutrition he needs, because he's not eating the little pellets he has left, or all of the little tiny seeds out of the Burgess mix. Still searching. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick tour. So over here he's got his sand bath. His sand bath is out of one of those, the bottom of the silver houses that you get in the Pets at Home cages. He's got this green dinosaur pack. He's got his green tunnel from Pets at Home. He's got a cardboard tunnel buried right here. A skull Heidi, which is from the fish section. It's got several little holes in it. He's got this Whimsy Chew. He's got a load of kitchen towel everywhere. This Grinkly tunnel, which goes from that end to the end, and he's also got a peephole here, where this yellow dinosaur is. He's got this peephole Heidi, which is also from Pets at Home. He's got this Santa Claus, which is from Poundland. And it's got black as well, so he's got that as a hide as well. He's got a strawberry Heidi. He's got his polka dot feeding bowl, which has got his Burgess XL dwarf hamster mix in it, which he's eating right now. And then obviously his bedding that he's got is Fitch. This isn't Catfish, this is the white. This is just a normal Fitch bedding. Then he's also got this ceramic coral reef thing, which is again a fish decoration, but obviously he can use it, and he really likes this, so he can go in here and then he can come out the top if he wanted to. He's got this yellow stick chew here. He's got his Trixie wheel, which is 8 inches or 20 centimeters. So over here he's got his pear Heidi, which is from my friend. He's got this lantern red chew here, which is from Mini Pets. He's got his little twirl, which is again from Mini Pets. And he's also got this ring here, which is also from Mini Pets, and he's also got this walnut, which also came from the trade package with my friend on Instagram, who will be, by the way, linked in the description down below, so you should totally go follow her. She has some really cute rabbits, a guinea pig, and she also has a tortoise as well, and a dog who's super cute, and also cats, so you should totally go follow her. She is really awesome and really nice to talk to. She'll be on screen now. Her name is Sasha's Pack on Instagram, so you should go follow her. Oh, she also has a hamster as well called Willow, who is obviously not the first Willow. The first Willow is, well, I was about to say the first Willow's here, but the first Willow isn't there. The Willow is in there somewhere, I think. But we'll just say this is the first Willow. Oh, actually the first Willow's climbing. There's the first Willow. there is the first willow. Okay. Okay, so this is just an overview of his cage. Oh, he's also got his water bottle here, obviously. Can't forget to mention his water bottle. And so yeah, so his cage is mainly just sort of like things just lying around, loads of chews. He's got tons of chews. He's got tons of treats, things that he can nibble on as well. A lot of enrichment in here. He's obviously got his wheel. He's got several hideys lying around as well. He's got a sand bath, his feeding bowl. He always has a sand bath. Hiccup really loves his sand bath. He uses it mainly as his toilet and also to bathe in quite a lot. So I always give him a sand bath. He's also got his bed material that he can use to make his bed with as well. So yeah. So that is my hamster Hiccup. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope that I'll see you again soon. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you've got any ideas for future videos. Don't forget to comment them down below. Don't forget to follow my friend Sasha's Pack, who is on the screen now, once again. And I'll see you again soon. Bye guys!